Connect wireless video doorbell to Wi-Fi. Find and download the app associated with your doorbell, e.g., Ring, Nest, Arlo, from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you do. Install the doorbell according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure it's charged or wired in, as applicable. Press the Setup button on the doorbell. This is often a small button located on the device. In the app, select the option to add a new device. Follow the prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Make sure you're connecting to a 2.4 GHz network if your device doesn't support 5 GHz. Wait for the app to confirm that the doorbell is connected to your Wi-Fi. This might take a minute. Adjust any settings as needed, e.g., motion detection, alerts, through the app. Press the doorbell button to ensure it's functioning correctly and that you receive notifications.